Good evening. This is a season of IPOs, and lot of IPOs have done the rounds. And it is now a turn of a city-based, that is Madras-based company to go public in Nasdaq. I think this is the first Madras-started Madras-based company to go public in United States. Of course, there is Cognizant, which was headquartered out of Madras, which listed in the Nasdaq. But here is a company which was started by two Tamilians, which started here as a company called FreshDesk in 2010, renamed itself as Freshworks in 2017, that has gone public. The shares are to be listed tomorrow on 22nd September at the Nasdaq. Why Nasdaq? This is because in recent times, technology companies have debuted extraordinarily well in Nasdaq, especially companies which operate in SaaS. SaaS means selling software as a service. When you sell software as a service, you pay every time when you use the software. The company that popularized this very much is a company called Salesforce. After Salesforce, there have been several companies that have done this. In India, the most famous of these software as a service company is Zoho. Zoho was started by a Tamilian based in America who had gone to Madras IIT by the name Sridhar Vembu. At least one of the two promoters is Girish Matrabhutam, who's from Zoho. Along with Shan Krishnasamy, he started this company called FreshDesk in Madras. Though originally from Tiruchirappalli, where he studied in the National Institute of Technology, they have been developing software as a service and have grown rapidly from the time they started in 2010. And for a long time, like the original company Zoho, they were bootstrapping and did not require extra funds, though they raised some private equity funds at times. The last time they raised money was at a valuation of $3.5 billion. They raised the amount of $150 million. Today, the company is expected to go public in a price range of between $32 to $34. The company is expected to net between 912 to $965 million. If the green shoe option, that is excess shares, are subscribed, then the company will raise $1 billion. These $1 billion is going net to the company. The company is supposed to use this for creating new infrastructure, general corporate uses, and working capital requirements. Though some of the money could be used to buy complementary software companies, which will help Freshworks grow faster. Freshworks has been going extremely fast and is already well capitalized. It is my feeling that Freshworks has been listed only to make sure that the promoters know their net worth and they really don't need this kind of money. Unlike Zoho, which has remained a private company owned by the family, where the promoters have clearly stated that they have no intention of taking the company public. Freshworks has been a more conventional company. It has grown rapidly, attracting talent from all over the place by giving ESOPs. So, a lot of people are going to become very wealthy. The total market cap of this company will be between 9 and $9.6 billion. This will mean that this will be the first Indian company created by Indians, especially from our state of Tamil Nadu, which will go list in the stock market and mint a few billionaires. There have been several unicorn stories where private valuation of companies have listed in billions of dollars of valuations. What is going to happen is in this buoyant market, slowly one by one, most of them are going to go public. Already, Zomato has gone public. One can expect that more companies will go public. Already, Oyo, which is backed by SoftBank, which has split its shares and given a bonus to existing shareholders, is also planning to go public. Though I don't believe that company, like that of Zomato, will ever make a profit. And the future of both these companies will be like that of Uber, which has always, most of the time, traded much below the price at which it was listed. Even a technology company should have a path to profitability and provide returns to the customer. You cannot be continuously burning money and hoping investors will fund it. SoftBank is pushing for the listing of this company because they want to book some profits. But the shareholders should desist from buying these type of companies because finally at some day there must be the company as a whole must make profits. One they cannot be dependent only on speculative gains to make money. But nobody in the market today is willing to wait and look at such things. What they are looking today is for a quick profit where I can put in $10 to buy a share and sell it for 12 or $13 in a week or two. Nobody is looking at long term perspectives and long term goals. Freshwork is different from all this because it is already an existing and profit making company. I have not taken a look at the valuations because I am sure the valuations will be extremely high. Once the stocks have been listed and when the general correction comes and share prices return to normalcy from stratospheric levels, Freshworks is one such company which you could look to invest. But in this period where the market is buoyant and there is huge amount of liquidity being pumped into the markets by central banks, one can expect that this will lead to irrational exuberance and pricing. Yesterday, when the Chinese markets fell because of the Evergrande property problems, the Chinese government pumped in $14 billion to calm the market down, though they did not succeed. Thank you for watching. Periods. It's a great privilege and honor that so many of you in thousands have subscribed to my channel and have supported me. I have written two books in English, The Alchemy of Money and Ordinary Stocks, Extraordinary Profits. These books are published by us and are ready. If you want to procure a copy, send us a message to the WhatsApp number given below and my team would respond to you. If you want an Amazon Kindle copy, you can click the link below. Finally, those who wish to consult with me can send a mail to berichenglish@gmail.com. Once again, I thank you for your support. If you like this video, press the subscribe button of my channel, hit the like button and turn on the bell notification.